What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas day number 8. It is currently 1:38 right now. Obviously you could tell that I am not ready today. I think today I'm just gonna be a little bit more chill. Today is gonna be more of a like resetting type of moment because I haven't done my laundry today, which that is one of the things that I need to do in order to have everything fixed and ready for the next coming day. So yeah, basically today I'm not gonna do too much. I am probably not even gonna leave my house today. Something I do want to get done is do my laundry and do a workout in today because I didn't do one yesterday. I also want to try one of the cinnamon rolls that I got yesterday from Costco. If you guys watched yesterday's vlog, I ended up going to Costco as well, and I don't know if I told you guys yesterday, but I got some cinnamon rolls. Dude, they look so good, and for me, I love cinnamon rolls. I think that's probably one of my favorite desserts. So after I'm done doing the laundry, I'm probably gonna take a little bite of a cinnamon roll. And I also want to watch Alice in Wonderland today because I feel like we haven't really been doing a lot of Christmas things. And if you guys didn't know, today currently is, what day is it today? It is December 17th, which means that there are only 7 days left for Christmas. I feel like this month is going by super fast, and I feel like everyone feels it. Hopefully by the end of the week, this is gonna be my goal for like the few days that I will be vlogging this week. Like, I really want to wrap my Christmas presents because literally we only have one full week left before it is Christmas. So today's the 17th, the week ends off on the 21st, and then next week on Wednesday it's gonna be the 25th, which is Christmas. And then after that, there's like what, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. There's 6 days left until the year ends. I feel like, oh my god, this year and this month, every month, I feel like it's going by super fast. Hopefully 2025 brings good things into the year as well. But let's focus on the now. I feel like we tend to focus on the future. Let's just try to get the things that need to be done now, which, what was I gonna do? My laundry. I need to get my laundry done today. So let's go. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is your little update moment. It is currently 7:02 right now. I didn't fold my laundry, but I'm currently gonna work out right now, so I'll do it later. Yeah, basically I feel like I've been vlogging pretty good the whole day. I made some roasted potatoes. I literally just like cut them up, I boiled them, and then I roasted them in my little oven. I don't know what it's called, it's like a toaster oven. And now I'm gonna work out. So I don't know, today I feel like it's pretty good, but I still have to fold my laundry, which I'll fold after my workout because tampoco I don't want to be outside at like 10 in the night. Okay, so yeah, I think I might end the vlog here unless I vlog something else, but goodbye.